Online team, can you hear me? You guys are able to see my screen, I guess. Can I get a response, please? And today, so welcome back. Today we are going to start actual session actually, and let me prepare kind of running notes for you. I will tell you what all things you guys need to follow. On daily basis during the session, yeah, good. Let me explain. If anyone came, today is the first session. Yesterday I have given a kind of just a kind of demo session actually, but actual session will start from today, right? And now on daily base you are going to get from my side, one is running notes, one is what exactly, sir? Running notes. And next one is the material. Next one is a material actually. Material is, it is in the form of PDF. It is in the form of what exactly? PDF. I will share my mail ID, and we'll tell you what we need to do actually. 23rd. Now, can somebody tell me? Number. All right. Yep. In another 5 minutes, we are going to entering into the session. Meanwhile, I need your help actually. Data science demo. Yes, I would like to say this is the running topic actually today. And data science fun demo we done actually yesterday. It's a kind of just awareness. Let us close this one. We'll share with the recorded session. This is the running topic. And I would like to say this is upcoming topic. Good. So let me delete all these things. Come on, sir. I'm repeating again. Whoever all came for today, no need to be worried. Today we are going to start the actual session. And today the topic name is data science fundamentals. What is the topic name, sir? Data science fundamental. And on daily basis, let me show you. Let me open the material. Data science fundamentals. And this is the material you're supposed to get it today. Yeah. Let us start, sir. All right. Sir, throughout this chapter, we are going to understand this is the index. And from today introduction, you will understand what is the data and why we need to understand about the data. Once we entered into the company, so being a data scientist, first of all, we need to focus over the data. Once we are having the data, with the data, what are all things we can do? These are all things we'll understand step by step, actually. These are all things we'll understand what exactly? Step by step. Can somebody tell me what is the first one, sir? Data introduction. Good. Let me click on that one actually. Good. Yeah. As usual, we already know. Can somebody tell me currently we are all from, all offline students, we are all from Hyderabad. Am I right or not, sir? And online students, they are joining from different location. Currently, we are living in the data world. Currently, we are living in what exactly, sir? Data world actually. What do you mean by that? Sir, everywhere data is generating. You don't know, you yourself data is generating. Whenever you are calling to your friend by using your mobile, backend data is generating for the telecom domain. Backend data is generating for whom actually? Telecom domain. Every company try to capture your data. You know what? I hope everyone having the Gmail IDs, right? That Gmail is a data. That Gmail is what exactly? Data actually. Right. No matter what, every domain, let's take a e-commerce domain, banking domain, telecom domain. Tell me one domain name, sir. Their data is available. What is available? Data is available. Now I would like to define, we are all currently living and moving with the data. Can somebody tell me? Living and what exactly? Moving with the data. It's a right time. Till now, I'm not sure. Either you focused over the data actually, but it's a right time. You guys need to understand what is exactly the data, sir. What is exactly the data you need to understand, right? And can somebody read this statement? What is the first one, sir? Currently, we are all living in a data world. Very good. The second one, everyone is communicating by using the devices and social networks actually due to this huge amount of the data is generating. Sir, let me tell you, I'm sure everyone having the Facebook actually. What is that one? Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, blah blah blah, these are all stuffs actually. On daily base we are connecting and communicating. Am I right or not, sir? So suddenly there is a function, the function was done at your home actually. You wanted to upload images. You wanted to upload what exactly? Images actually. Images is nothing but the data. What exactly we are doing, we are using social network to communicate each other. At the same time, we are generating data to the social networks actually. We are generating data to whom actually? Social network. Guys, are you getting what I'm saying? Good. Now everyone is communicating by using devices. By using what exactly, sir? Device means what exactly? It can be mobile, it can be laptop or computer, anything actually. Okay. uh, a small information. If today anyone came for the first session, sir, I'm considering you guys are from zero. You guys are from what exactly? Zero. No need to be worried. There is no prerequisite actually. I'm starting our course from scratch. And today is the first session. Today is what exactly, sir? First session as per the, so the demo yesterday we have given actually. Good. Though one by one is communicating each other on daily basis, the data is, sir, huge amount of the data. What is the data? It's not like a KB, MB, these are all things actually. If you collect all of your data, no doubt at all, the data can be some, GB, PB, terabyte, these are all things actually. Good. All applications are generating data. What is the first application? Can somebody tell me? First one is a, what do you mean by e-commerce, sir? Amazon, Flipkart, Myntra, these are all things actually. Next one is a banking application. SBI, Access Bank, these are all HDFS and the social networks actually. We know very well. It's a right time. You guys need to understand what is the data. It's a right time. You guys need to understand what exactly, sir? What is the data? Can somebody tell me what is the data? It is a collection of facts. Important definition, sir. And what is important? Let us make a note. Yeah. Let us just try to make a note here. Kind note actually, and over these running notes. Good. Now, so the very first one, what is the data? You need to understand. The very first one, what exactly, sir? Data. Whenever someone is talking about the data, it's a very simple, sir. Data is a collection of facts. Data is what exactly? Collection of facts actually. Collection of what exactly? Facts. Now it's a right time. You need to understand. Hey Daniel, can you tell me what do you mean by fact actually? Fact means it's very simple, sir. What are all things it will come under facts? Tell me what is the first one? Numbers. Tell me everyone. Numbers, alphabets, alphanumeric, symbols, image, video, audio, anything. Right? What do you mean by number? Whenever you are buying any item over Amazon, you are going to get a order ID. You are going to get what exactly? Order ID, customer ID. That is nothing but a number. That is nothing but what exactly? Hey, best example, man. If I am collecting all of your mobile number, no doubt at all our numbers actually, that is the data. That is what exactly, sir? Data actually. And next one is what exactly? Alphabets means all your names is nothing but a alphabet, something like a alphabet letters on. Either it can be lowercase or uppercase. Next one is what exactly? Alphanumeric. Whenever you are trying to finding out any product ID, Amazon ID, any product ID, that can be ABC123, ABC1234, something like that actually, right? Can somebody tell me, sir, what is the first one? First one is a number. Next one, alphabet. Third one, alphanumeric. One more time. Number, alphabet, alphanumeric. Awesome. Let's move on. Now the next one is a symbol, images, audio, video. These are all things actually. You know what? Being a data scientist, we are all going to playing with the numbers. That number data is not like a small scale number actually. It's a kind of GB of the data. What data, sir? GP of the data. Like a 10 lakhs rows we are going to play, 5 lakhs rows we are going to play. Still we are going to play with the 10 rows also. 10 numbers also. I will show you step by step. Numbers is very, very important. That point you need to understand. Best example. Number means it's a very simple man. In our home, at my home, 4 members would have. Everyone having the 4 number, that is nothing but the number is the data. Everyone having the name, that is nothing but a alphabet actually. Everyone is trying to buying over Amazon product ID ABC123, DEF234, something like that actually, right? Yeah. So I hope you are getting. What is the next definition, sir? Do let me know. Information. Can somebody tell me what is the next one? Sir, you know what? It's a two-way communication. When I'm asked, let me tell you. Once you're done with this course, you have to give the interview. You have to give what exactly? Interview. During interview, who's supposed to talk actually? You. Am I right? You don't know one small hidden pattern actually. That day one onwards, I will make you how to talk actually. I will make you what exactly? If I'm asking, can you please read? And respect the premises actually. You no need to respect me. That is not required actually. At least read that point actually. Come on, everyone. What is the first one? Can somebody tell me? Data introduction. What is the next one? And what is the next one actually? Sounds good. I need the same response till to the last today's session actually. Are you guys clear? Yep, good. Yeah. Can somebody tell me what is the second one we are covering? Information. Can somebody tell me what is the data, sir? Data is a collection of fact. It's a very, very important. You guys need to understand. Damn sure interview question. Can you please do let me know what is the difference between data and information? What is the difference between what exactly? Data and information. For your better understanding, I will show you small screen, sir. Once let me talk with online team. Online team, are you following right? Can I get a response, please? Ravi, no, we are not covering. That is, that is not at all required as per the industries. All right. Online team, I need a small response. Can you are you getting what I'm saying actually? Can somebody respond, please? Just hold on. Okay, it's a very simple. Let's continue. Yeah. Sir, what is a data and information? Let me show you small table actually. Let me show you what exactly. It's a kind of small table. Left hand side, what are all things are available? I would like to say this is the data. Right hand side is what exactly? Information. Sir, let me tell you, data you may not understand very quickly. Whenever you're talking about the data is something like a raw data. Data is something like what exactly? Raw data. What we need to do, being a data scientist, we need to get the data. Once we are getting the data, we need to apply processing. We need to process the data. Whenever you are processing, you are going to get the information. You are going to get what exactly? Information. Now, one point you need to understand. Information will come from data. One more time. Information will come from data actually. That's what you need to understand. I will read. Can somebody tell me what is the first one? Data. Next one. Process. Next one. One more time. Data, process, information. Very good. Now let us just try to understand. Left hand side, what it is available. What is this one, sir? Can somebody tell me? Daniel. What is it, Daniel? I don't know. Assuming that the same data, if I have given my small kid actually, and kid will read like directly. Daniel, data scientist. Age is what exactly? Sweets, but not 16 actually. Don't be an assumption. Next one is a Bangalore location. Next one is what exactly? India. Sir, I would like to say this is the raw data. This is what exactly? Raw data. But if I process this one, Daniel, hey man, it is the name actually. And can somebody tell me data scientist? It is what exactly? Profession. Age 16. Location Bangalore. Country. What exactly? Perfectly, what I done exactly. Once we need to walk through the data, you will understand about the data step by step actually. Once you understand the data, man, then we can apply the processing technique. We can apply what exactly? Processing technique. I'm repeating one more time. It's a very simple. From this data, how we will get information, by writing a program. By writing what exactly? Program actually. Our program will do automatically. So you no need to keep, you no need to write your own example. Automatically programs would have actually. Now what we need to understand, data we may not understand clearly. Can somebody read what is that one point, sir? Data we may not understand clearly. And now the processed data is called as a information. Can I ask a question? What is the data? Collection of facts. One more time. Collection of facts. What is the information? The processed data is called as a information. The processed data is called as what exactly, sir? Information actually. Good. Now let me give my mail ID to share this material. Hold on. So you guys need to do one thing. 1 minute, sir. To get this today material, you know, drop a mail to get this today material actually, until you get registered actually, you get registered and there is a Google platform, Google Classroom, we will upload the material on daily basis actually. But till you get registered, initial 5 to 6 days actually, I would like to share the material with you, right? Kindly please make a note. This is my mail ID, Daniel Trainer for numeric 4 actually, DS for data science @gmail.com. Sir, whenever you're dropping a mail, something like a subject should be, you no need to write anything, please actually. Just to, you can just try to write like, share the material, share material at, 5:30 p.m. That's it actually. Whenever you are sending a mail, subject should be something like that. You are getting right? Everyone, please drop a mail. Not now, end of this session. You no need to drop now actually. End of the day, I'm sure you are going to get the material. Come on, sir. Can I continue? Come on. It's a very easy. Come on. Yeah. Yes, I have clearly explained data. We may not understand very clearly. The processed data is called as a information, and converting the raw data into meaningful information. I mean to say that what exactly we are doing, once we are getting that raw data, once we are getting what exactly raw data, we need to apply processing technique. Then we are getting the information. Then we are getting what exactly information. The diagram is important, sir. Now the next one. I hope I already covered this one actually. Let's move to the next one. Good. Now these are all. So look at this one. So there is a box. I would like to say some 120557. If you don't know about this one, I would like to say this is a kind of some number, sir. But once we are processing, I would like to represent this one with some money. I would like to represent this one with what exactly? Some money. Can I say this is the data? Yes. Once we are processing, then we are going to get what exactly, sir? Some information you are getting. What we are getting? Information. I would like to say, so you know what? 1,20,000. I would like to say this one. The time will be 12:05:57, something like that. Actually, hope you are getting, sir, what I'm saying. Actually, good. All right. Very simple. Very simple, man. Next one is what is a data science. Next one is what exactly? What is a data science? Good. Now hold on. Banu Prakash. Hello, sir. Can you please share the mail ID one more time? Let me share over the chat actually. You know, 1 minute, sir. I'm sharing the mail ID over the chat. Uh, yeah, I have sent actually. This is my mail ID. Sir, once you are dropping the mail, immediately within 1 hour, you are going to get the, what exactly? Okay. Yesterday recorded session also management wanted to share actually. Let us copy paste here. I would like to keep it here. This is yesterday session. Yesterday recorded session actually. Thank you, Rajeshwari ma'am. So let me share what same thing here actually. Come on, sir. So can somebody tell me what is the data? Data is a collection of facts. Data can be numbers, alphabets, alphanumeric, audio, video, images. One more time. Number, alphabets, alphanumeric, audio, video, image. So very simple, man. Very simple actually. Now let us move on with the discussion. What is the next point we are covering? Sir, what is a data science? You need to understand. What is the next one? What is a data science? So data science is a combination of scientific methods, algorithms to extract knowledge and insights from the data. Very, very important, sir. So here, what all things are involving, data science is a combination of scientific method. Let me tell you, 10th class is a combination of subjects. Can I say that one? I'm repeating one more time. Same thing like that. You know what? Whenever you are learning the data science also combination of scientific methods. Combination of what exactly? Scientific methods. What are all those methods? We'll see later. In that method, what all things are getting involving? Algorithms are involving. What is involving, sir? Algorithm. What is algorithm? We'll see. Sir, these are all terminology. Slowly by slowly adapt with the terminology. You will get a clear picture. Algorithms. By using these algorithms, what we can do, extract knowledge and insights from the data. Extract what exactly? Knowledge and insights from the data actually. Hey, it's a simple man. What we need to do, generally what happened, best example, let me tell you. Assuming that there is a robbery happen. Then police people caught the thief actually. Police people what exactly? Caught the thief. Will thief will reveal the reality immediately? No, no, no. Then what police people will do? Police people will torture the thief actually. Then it will start talk actually. Am I right or not, sir? Here also, once company given the data, by using scientific method, we need to torture the data. Means we need to apply scientific methods over the data. Now data will tell, enough man, let me talk actually. Something like that. Are you getting or not? Means internally, data having hidden knowledge, data having hidden insight actually. Whenever you are applying scientific methods, now data will tell it's the right time I need to talk. Otherwise, these people will torture me more and more actually. I'm sure now you will understand. Can you read the definition, everyone, slowly by slowly? Data science is a combination of scientific methods, algorithms to extract knowledge and insights from the data. Team, maybe mostly today and tomorrow, it's a kind of theory. I'm sure in another 2 sessions, we are going to start the practical actually. Whatever the definition I'm covering, everything I will show you practically. Everything I will show what exactly, sir? Practically. Be patient. Be patient. And one more point, a small information. Everyone should have a laptop. Everyone should have what exactly, sir? Laptop actually. It's not only theory. Laptop mandatory. Rather than joining your course actually, laptop is a mandatory. Why? Because this sessions is only designed only for practical oriented. This sessions is designed only for what exactly, sir? I will talk only with practical rather than theory actually. But immediately I may not start the discussion. Now let us conclude with the next definition. Next definition. What is the next definition? Data science is all about how we take the data. Data science is what exactly? All about how we take the data. What is the first one? Process the data. What is the first one? Process the. Best example, sir. You already know one scenario. I hope everyone knows about the COVID scenario, corona situation. Am I right? Once collected the data, once the Indian government collected the data, what the government supposed to do? It's supposed to process the data. It's supposed to what exactly? During processing, understanding the past and present condition. Am I right or not, sir? Whenever you are opening any news channel, whenever you are opening YouTube actually, how the people are telling, Arey man, these are all active cases actually. These are all passed away. These are all countries are suffering. What happened, sir, exactly in back end? First step, they collected the data. Once they collected the data, they processed the data. What they applied actually? Processed actually. Once they applied processing technique, they can understand previously what happened, current what happened actually. I hope you are getting, sir. Can I get a response? Are you getting? All right, good. Now, can somebody read what is the first point? One more time. Last time. Why I will ask 2 times? I'm sorry. If I didn't get a proper response, if I didn't feel you were reading loudly actually, then I will ask 1 or 2 times actually. Read one more time. What is the first one? I satisfied, sir. You made me satisfied actually. No need to read the second one. What is the second one? Understand the past and what exactly? Present condition. That is the second point. Next one, decision making process. What is the next one? Decision making process. Interesting. Best example, we are in exactly 2020, exactly during corona situation. During what situation, sir? Corona situation. Once you understand previous condition and current condition, what you can do, upcoming situation, you can take the decision. If you wanted to go outside actually, you have to go with what exactly? Mask. That's called as a decision. That's called as what exactly, sir? Why mask? Do let me know. Stopping the spreading. Stopping what exactly, sir? Spreading actually. I mean to say that once we collected the data, then we need to process the data. What we need to do, sir? Process the data. During processing, you will understand past and present condition. You will understand what exactly? Sir, if you understand past and present, you will become decision maker. You will become what exactly? That's the beauty. These are all steps practically will do actually. These are all steps practically we will do. What is the next step? Can somebody tell me? Predicting the futures. Once you taking the decision, you can predict the future actually. And next one is what exactly, sir? Creating the new industry. Creating what exactly? New industry. These are all very simple. Practical we'll see. Format satisfaction. Everyone supposed to read. What is the first one? Next one, understand past and present condition. Third one is a decision making process. Fourth one, predicting the future result. Fifth one, creating a new industries and product condition. Repeating again, this material is a shareable. It's not like I will hide this material. You have to, understand during session. No, no, no. Today itself, not only today, from the day one to till last day, every material I'm going to share with you. This is the PDF format. What format, sir? PDF format, actually. Good. Now let me connect with online team. Online team, I hope you are getting, sir. All right. Thank you for nice response. Let us where we can access the recorded videos. So connect with Rajeshwar ma'am. Rajeshwar ma'am help you. Srikant sir. Yeah, good. Come on. Till now, what all things we covered, sir? Yeah, good. You no need to tell the definition. Let me read only heading actually. What is the first one? Data and what exactly? Information. What is the data and what is the information we understand? And what is the data? What is the information? Next one is a data processing. Important, sir. First step is the data. Next one, processing. Whenever you are processing the data, what we are going to get, sir? Information. Important, man. Whenever you are processing the data, you are going to get the information. You are going to get what exactly? Information, something like that. And data and information examples we have seen. And what is a data science? A couple of definitions we have seen. Practically, I will show you. Step by step and practically, I will show you. Good. The immediate next step, what we need to understand, what is a scientist we need to understand, and who is a scientist we need to understand. Hey man, you know what? Let me tell you. I worked as a Java developer. I worked as what exactly? I do have a sound experience in a Java. When I was working as a Java developer, when I was working in a Java, my tag will be the Java developer. And I do have a good experience in a big data developer. I do have good experience in what exactly? Big data developer. When my friends are asking, do let me know on what you are working, I used to tell my role is a big data developer, Java developer actually. But after I became data scientist, if anyone is asking, what is my role? Tell me, sir. Data. Tell me one more time. Data. Team, you know what? I worked as a Java developer, big data developer, but the third one is literally there is some vibes, man. Data, what exactly? Scientist actually. Since our childhood, we may know many scientists. We may know what exactly? Many scientists. Unfortunately, I don't know. I became as a scientist actually. I became as what exactly? Scientist. Here, science means you no need to process with the universal things actually. Being a scientist, we are playing with the data. We are playing with what exactly, sir? That role is called as a data scientist. That role is called as what exactly? Data scientist. It's a kind of R&D process. It's a kind of what exactly? R&D process, research and development actually. What exactly can somebody tell me? Research and development. It's a very simple, sir. Very easy. For your kind information, right? For your kind information, one of my old student, he's from BCom graduate. He's from what exactly, sir? BCom actually. Pure non-technical student. And now he's working as a data scientist. I mean, many of you may think like, hey, Daniel, I'm non-technical. I don't know anything. Don't worry, sir. I'm sure you will understand actually what is going on. Are you getting what I'm saying? All right, let's move on. Now, scientist is a person who is having the expert knowledge and specific scenario. Scientist means what exactly, sir? When somebody is talking about the scientist, actually, he is having expert knowledge. Don't touch that person in terms of the, so and so scenarios actually. Whenever you're talking about the scientist having really very good knowledge over the specific scenario. Or what exactly, sir? Specific scenario actually. I hope Sir Isaac Newton, I hope everyone knows actually. Is he a scientist? Yes, he's a scientist. And he found out the gravity in between what exactly? Earth and, so the sky, especially actually. Am I right or not, sir? Good. Nature of the scientist. A scientist used to conduct the more research to achieve the result actually. Whenever you're talking about the scientist, what scientist will do, they used to apply more research actually. They used to apply what exactly? Can somebody tell me there is a search and research? What is the difference between search and research, sir? Searching means one time actually. Research means what exactly? Coming again and again researching actually. Coming again and again doing what exactly? Can I tell one fun example? Data scientist means exactly something like a detective. Data science means something like what exactly? Detective. Detective means what they will do, sir? They will enter into the situation. They will do research over situation. What exactly happened? Let us take it. There is a bank and some robbery happened. Police people unable to identify. Then detective team will enter actually. Sir, you know what? Once the detective team enter, how the assume there is a small pin. It was fall over the ground actually. They will recognize what is the direction. Why that pin falls throws to the west direction. They will identify actually. Small things also they will take very seriously. I hope you're getting, sir. Can somebody read what is this one? A scientist used to conduct more research on what exactly? Achieve the result. Good. And you know what? This is not important, but let me read actually. I will tell you which one is important and which one is not important. Process behind the scientist. These are all process actually. Initially, we need to collect the data. Can somebody tell me initially what is the step one? Collect the data. Few guys are sleeping, sir. All the best for your career actually. Right? Please wake up. Systematically tell me gathers information. Next one is a doing research. Next one getting the evidence. Sir, whenever you are doing the research, whenever you are applying the research technique actually, you will get the evidence, you will get the witness, evidence. These are all things actually. Good. Then test the evidence. Whenever you are getting the test, whenever you are getting the evidence, immediately you should not believe that one. You have to apply, is the evidence is valid or invalid actually, something like that. And what is the next one, sir? Gaining the knowledge. Next one is a understanding the knowledge. Next one is sharing the knowledge. Can everyone read very biggerly? What is the first one? Systematically gathers the information, doing research, getting evidence, test the evidence, gaining the knowledge, understanding the knowledge, sharing the knowledge. So frankly speaking, not important. These are all points actually. Why? Because practical we'll see, then we'll understand these are all stuff actually. But it's a kind of awareness you need to understand. All right, this is not my picture actually, but you know what? A scientist can looks like this actually. I hope since our childhood you are saying. Can I talk with online team? We are entering into important topics, sir. All right. Online team, I need minimum 20 responses, man. When I'm asking are you getting or not, I'm not getting any response. Can I get a response? Minimum 20 responses, please. A single person don't send 20 responses, please. Mahesh nicely respond. Kavya ma'am, good. Come on, only two members. Okay, Veera, Saket, Gayatri ma'am. All right, all right. Thank you. As I told you, it's a two-way communication. Uday Kumar, Sheikh sir, actually. Yeah. Let's move on. Let's move on. Good. Thank you for nice response. Thank you for your kind response, sir. Let us continue. Sir, till now, what are all things we covered? Only one word you need to remember. What exactly, data. What exactly? Data. Sir, data, how many letters? Do let me know. Four, but it is shaking the world actually. It is what exactly? That much very important. That's what you need to remember that one actually. Good. Now it's a right time you need to understand what is a big data. It's a right time you need to understand what exactly, sir? Big data actually. Sir, extremely large data sets are called as a big data. Go back and now just try to see here. Collection of facts actually. Facts means what exactly? Numbers I would like to say. Next one is a alphabets I would like to say. Alphabets. Next one is what exactly, sir? Alphanumeric. Next one is a audio. Next one is video. Next one is images. Very good, man. And oh, okay, symbols. Very good, sir. Something like a dollar symbol, rupee symbol. These are all things. Am I right or not? Very good. Now, what is the next one you need to understand? The flow, data flow. You need to understand. What is the data flow? Sir. The first one is a data. From the data, process. Once you are processing, you will get what exactly? Seriously, very good. I hope you guys are following very nicely. Let us maintain some social distance actually in between all this stuff. Good. Good. And till now you need to understand that one. Now this is the Daniel. In my hand I do have a 1 KB data. What data, sir? 1 KB data. Can I say that is a big data? Sir, 1 KB means very small scale data actually. No, you cannot say that is a big data. This is a very small data. What data, sir? Small data. Now I do have a 100 GB. I do have what exactly? 100 GB. Can I say that is a big data? No. Frankly speaking, okay kind of data. Okay kind of what exactly? Data. Sir, you know what? On daily basis, I'm playing with the 63 petabyte of the data. What data, sir? No doubt at all. This is called as a big data. This is called as what exactly? Sir, whenever your discussion is something like a petabytes, terabytes, very large data sets, then that is called as a big data. That is called as what exactly? Big data. Now just try to read the definition, everyone. Extremely large data sets are called sorry man, one more time. Extremely large data sets are called as a big data. And for your kind information, the good news is you no need to remember this right hand side actually. Right hand side 1024 bytes, 1024 KB, megabytes, these are all you no need to remember, but this order you need to remember. This order you need to remember. Right, good. What is the first one, sir? Bit or byte actually. What is the first one? Bit. Yeah, next one is a chocolate byte, normal byte actually. Yeah, now let me tell you. Let us talk about milk. What is a milk measurement, sir? Can I say 1 kg milk actually? No. Liter. Very good. Onion measurement. Can I say 1 liter onion actually? Same thing like that. Whenever you're talking about the market actually, onion having the measurement, milk having the measurement, water having the measurement, same thing like that. Data also having the measurement. Data also having what exactly? That measurement table you just need to understand. Data always starts from bit actually. Data always starts from what exactly, sir? Bit. So the next one is a byte. Next one is what exactly, sir? Also called as a KB. Also called as what exactly? KB actually. Good. Next one is a megabyte. Next one is sorry man, gigabyte, right? I'm sure till now everyone aware actually. Even mostly you may aware about what exactly? Terabyte also. Nowadays, 1 terabyte of laptops you are buying actually. One more time till terabyte. Can you read everyone? Sir, very bigger sound. Bit, byte, kilobyte, megabyte, gigabyte, terabyte. Perfect. Now here onwards, let us slowly by slowly let me enter. What is the next one, sir? Petabyte. Petabyte means it's a bigger than terabyte actually. It's a very huge data set. As I told you, on daily basis in my company, we are playing with the petabyte actually. We are playing with what exactly? A group of computers having the petabyte of the data. We are sending a Python program. That Python program is collecting the total data actually. That is really beautiful. When I was working as a Java developer, in a Java developer, what is the role? Creating a text button, creating a radio button. These are all tasks actually. Anyone can do. These are all tasks, right? When I was working as a big data developer, the beauty is playing with the data, man. Playing with what exactly? That to company data. Indirectly, you are understanding the company foundation, the basement actually. Data science job is a seriously very good job, man. Frankly speaking, right? Can somebody tell me? Can somebody tell me what after gigabyte? What is the next one, sir? Terabyte. I hope you know this one actually. Yeah. Next one is what exactly, sir? Petabyte. Next one is what exactly? Petabyte. Hold on. After terabyte, what is the next one? Petabyte actually. Sir, last to three, you can remember very easily. How to remember, In alphabets, what is the last three letters actually? X, Y, Z. One more time. What is the last three letters? X, Y, Z. Now look at this one. Exabyte actually. Then you can make a crisscross. Z is the first letter. Next one is the Y is the last letter actually. What is the next one? Z is the first letter. Next one is a Y is the last letter. Yeah, good. Now everyone, can you please read what is the first one? Bit, byte, kilobyte, megabyte, gigabyte, terabyte, petabyte, exabyte, zettabyte, yettabyte, sir. You may ask a question, hey Daniel, do we need to remember? Not much important, but let me tell you, once you enter into the company, at least you should know what is the size of your company data byte. What is the size of your data? Currently, I'm playing with the petabyte. Currently, from my company, I'm loading the petabyte of the data. And there is another company, that company can handle terabyte actually. That company can handle what exactly? Terabyte actually. Whenever you are, let me tell you, whenever you are giving interview, damn sure interview question, do let me know. You are working in a project, right? What is the data set size? What is the question, sir? What is the data set size? You should not tell 1 KB data, 2 KB data, 3 KB data. If you are replying 1 KB data, immediately the one who is taking interview, he will tell, yes, thank you, sir. HR will contact you back actually. Are you getting? Once the interviewer is telling, thank you, sir, HR will contact you, means indirectly, what is the meaning, sir? You are rejected actually. You are what exactly? Rejected. Being a data scientist, you know the size of the data. You know what exactly? Size of the data. Good. I hope you are getting. This is called as a data measurement table. This is what exactly, sir? Data measurement table. Can we read very biggerly this statement, sir? Extremely large data set is called as a, one more time. Extremely large data sets is called as a big data. Good. Go back to the index. Go back to the index. We'll see. Data's information, what is the data we have seen, and what is the information we have seen, what are all point we are covering important, sir. Please focus actually. And data processing, yes please. Yeah, very good question, sir. Now let us just try to enter where is that one data measurement table actually. Good, sir. From GB, from GB to till to the last, that is called as a big data. Even when, good question. What is our teammate question? He is asking, Are Daniel, can I say, megabyte is a big data? No. Actually, the big data definition will start from the GB actually. It will start from where exactly? A companies are still handle. Let us take a startup company. Still, startup companies are handling 500 GB of the data, 600 GB of the data, 900 GB of the data actually. Getting right, sir? Good. Now let me tell you. This is for online and offline both actually. So during session, if anyone having any question actually, stop the session. You can ask the session. You do have the rights and access actually. And especially this point is for offline team. Whenever you are coming for this session, whenever you are coming for offline session, you no need to ask the permission. Like, hey, can I come to the session? Door is open actually. You can come to the session directly. You no need to ask a permission. Hey, Daniel, can I come? May I come? These are all things actually. Point number one. Point number two, sir, in between the session, if anyone need any emergency, offline team, if anyone need having some emergency call, emergency actually, you let you go. No need to ask a permission. No need to ask what exactly. No one will not ask how you are going, where you are going actually, right? Session is kind of some open. You can come to the session. If you want, you can listen. Otherwise, you can sleep actually. Am I right? Will you sleep actually, sir? No. Yeah, let us continue. All right, let's continue. Can somebody tell me who are all joined only for today? I would like to open one small slide, sir. Who are all joined only for today? I would like to open one small slide actually. Can somebody take the snapshot? Who are all came only for today? Take a snapshot, sir. Take a mobile and take a just a snapshot very quickly, please. Just I can spare next to 20 seconds. These are all only just a couple of days actually. Once we entered into the actual session, registration is done. These are all things not at all required. And in your free time, just try to kindly walk through the snapshot. You will understand what exactly it is actually. Okay. All right. Anything do I need to update? Gayatri ma'am, you do one thing. Can you take a snapshot? That's what I tell actually. Who are all joined for today? Take a snapshot. Last 10 seconds. 5 seconds. Let me drink water. Good question, sir. Good question, Mahesh. Course duration actual 3 months, or some more. Good. Let us respect all these questions actually. Good. Few of our teammates actually, so there are 2 to 3 members. They're asking a questions. Good. Good. Next one is, let me cover this question. I can cover actually. Hold on. Vaibhav sir, what is asking? Course duration actually 3 months or some more time actually. Sir, we designed this course for 3 months actually, but in between Saturday, Sunday, no session. I mean, Sunday no session. Saturday we don't have a regular session. We have a practice session. We have only practice session. Like how I am taking today's session. This kind of session is not available on Saturday. But everyone need to join over this session. That day I will explain how to do the practice effectively. First point. And in between we may get some holidays actually. Am I right or not, sir? If I take maybe 1 or 2 weeks actually, please don't complain to the management. Are you getting or not, sir? Yeah, I mean to say that maybe 3 months, 1 week, 3 months, 2 weeks, I will take like that actually. Are you getting everyone? Getting right, sir? And what Mahesh is asking, read everyone this question actually. What we need to tell during interview time about how to handle much data actually. Good, sir. First of all, can you read this word everyone actually? No, only this word everyone read actually. One more time. Last time. Hold on, sir. The beauty with our session will be, especially the beauty with our sessions will be. Oh, very good, sir. Definitely, Harish. I will make a note on this one also. Go back, and Good. Let me just try to help you this one as well. Sir, I'm a content writer. In my free time, I used to prepare the material. Yeah, interview. Let me tell you small information. Today, not only this kind of material, not only what exactly this kind of material, once the course is done, immediately the next step is what exactly, sir? Interviews. What is the next one? You can't believe how to give introduction also. I prepare a material. How to give what exactly? During interview, someone will ask actually, explain about yourself. I prepared a material, sir. Can I show that one actually? Yeah, during telephonic interview, whenever you are uploading your profile, you will get an interview. You will get what exactly, sir? Interview. How to talk also, I created a material. If you want, let me open this one. That's the beauty with our material actually. Now let me just try to open this one. And how to talk, how to maintain, how to talk with the recruiting team. These are all things I created actually. Yeah, such a nice discussion. HR recruiter, they will call and they will ask actually. Assuming that in this scenario, Daniel is a job seeker. I got a call from HR actually, and they're asking, can I talk with Daniel? Then what I need to respond, sir? Yes, Daniel is speaking. May know who is on the line. Man, you know what? Frankly speaking, no one never provide this kind of discussion actually. But why I'm providing, sir, I came from, I don't know how to talk during interview. I came from that situation. I'm not like a first, my LKG, UKG, English medium. It was not like that. I don't know how to speak in English also. By considering those days, I prepared this material, might be helpful for you. If you already expert how to giving an interview, it's okay. It's okay. You no need to take this material actually. See, recruiter from the Capgemini. And that guy will tell so and so thing. I am from Capgemini. This is Naresh speaking from the Capgemini. I am from HR department. I got your profile from job portal. Then after this question, how to respond also I created actually. Hi Naresh, good morning. How are you? Whenever somebody is talking, we should not attack directly, just like a casual ways. Hey, good morning, good evening, good afternoon, how are you doing? These are all the discussion actually. Interview material one. Next one, come here actually. Interview introduction. What is this one, sir? Introduction. Two types of introduction. First one is a fresher introduction. Next one is a experience. Let's open. Which one you want, sir? Show me one thing. Which one? Oh, fresher and experience. Both I'm hearing. Let me open experience first, actually. Let me open experience. All right. Hold on, sir. I will answer all of your questions. Kindly, please hold on. What is the time? All right. Yeah, data science interview preparation. This is what exactly, sir? Introduce yourself, actually. Good. This is the very important part of the interview. Sir, whenever you are going for interview, damn sure interview question. What is the first interview question? Introduce yourself. Introduce what exactly? Yourself. Now, let me tell you. Have you seen Bahubali movie? Have you seen Bahubali movie, sir? Yeah, good. Have you seen cut up introduction? Yeah, our introduction should be like, goosebumps actually. During interview, if somebody given a chance to talk about yourself actually, you have to explain like, boss, I am like this, I am like this, I have done these are all things actually, I'm a programmer, I done these are all use cases actually. Like that, you need to introduce yourself, right? Now you can walk through these are all things. The template. Sir, here what we need to do now, once you are getting this document, whenever you are mugging up this document actually, you have to erase my name with what exactly? Your name actually. Am I right? During interview, will you tell this is Daniel actually? No, 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 sir. Hope you are getting, I hope you are getting right. These are all materials I will share with you. And how to take interview, how to give interview also I will tell you. These are all discussion I can cover later, sir. And good. Harish, not Harish, Rajesh, let us capture your question later actually. Let us continue the session as of now. Good, sir. Where are we? We done this one actually. Now, types of the big data. What is the next one actually? Types of the data, big data. Now by this time we know very well what is a big data. What is a big data? Extremely large data sets are called as a big data. Extremely large data are called as what exactly, sir? Big data. It's a right time you guys need to understand types of the big data. You guys need to understand what exactly types of the big data. Sir, there are mainly three types, boss. There are mainly three types of the big data. What is the first one? Structured data. What is the first one? Next one is a semi-structured. Third one is a, sir, one more time, last actually. Structured data, semi-structured data, unstructured data. What do you mean by structured data, boss? Now, just hold on. I will read this theory. Hold on 1 minute actually. Yeah, let us just try to spend here. Now, I can say this one. The data which is available in a table format. The data which is available in what exactly? Table format. If my son is looking at this data, he can easy to understand. Okay, first ID is 1, name is a John, age is a 18, degree is what exactly? BSc. Means whenever you're talking about the structured data, anyone can understand, man. You no need to put more efforts actually to understand the data. That's the power of the structured data. What is the second one? Can somebody tell me? Semi-structured data. Sir, whenever you're talking about the semi-structured data will store by using a tags. By using what exactly? Tag. What do you mean by tag? You know, less than symbol, greater than symbol, some symbols it will involve actually. You no need to understand these are all stuff, but just try to understand the definition. I would like to say this is a kind of some XML format, JSON format. These are all things would you have actually. Yeah, can somebody tell me what is ID here actually? One, right? The same ID is storing here actually. And what is the next one? John. But the John name starting tag actually, name closing the tag. A starting the tag and closing the tag. This is called as what data, sir? Semi-structured data. And next one is what exactly? Unstructured. Unstructured data is something like, you know, a kind of some normal format data. Normal notepad, image, audio, video. These are all will become under unstructured data. These are all will become what exactly? Unstructured data actually. Let us just try to hold on. Now it's a right time you need to tell how many types of the data. What is the first one? Structured data, semi-structured data, unstructured. Sir, one more time. Structured data, semi-structured data, unstructured data. All right, all right. Let's move on. Go back. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yeah, yeah, please. Yeah, yeah. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yeah, yeah. Nice, sir. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Good. Sir, whenever you're talking about the unstructured data, let me tell you in a technical terminology, whenever we are browsing any website, sir, let us take Amazon, Facebook, Twitter, backend, there is one file will be created. That file is called as a log file. That file is called as what exactly? Log file actually. In log file, the data will be unstructured data. In log file, the data will be what exactly? You may ask a question, what is the purpose of log file actually? Sir, whenever you are opening the website, backend one text file will be generated. There it will be noted each and every activity. So and so Daniel logged in Amazon at 9 a.m. and he is searching for so and so product actually. And he has given almost 10 clicks, something like that actually. You're getting right, sir. Good question. Good question. Yeah, yeah. Which one, sir? Yeah, that is a web cookie, but backend it is a log file actually. And log file also it is generating in a server especially. Good, let's move on. And whenever you're talking about the unstructured data, not only log file, not only cookies actually, image also unstructured data, sir. Audio also unstructured data, video also unstructured data. We are all playing with this kind of data actually. Good, good, good. Yeah. Now structured data. Structured data will be stored in a table format like a rows and columns. Like what exactly, sir? Rows and columns actually. It is a very easy to understand. It is what exactly? Very easy. Whenever you're talking about the structured data, anyone can understand, man. Even from the small kid to, you know, 10th class student, graduate, PG, and anyone can understand. Example like a table in a database, Excel file, CSV file actually, right? You may ask a question, hey Daniel, I don't know database, Excel file, CSV file. Sir, as part of our session, we are going to playing with the data actually. I will show you practically. And what is the second one? Can somebody tell me? Semi-structured data. Semi-structured data in the form of Excel file and JSON file actually. Semi-structured may not be in a proper format, may not be in what exactly? We may not understand. That is something like a raw data. That is something like what exactly? Raw data. This type of the data having some properties or tags actually. Can somebody tell me what is a file? XML file. Next one is a JSON file. Structured data. What is the format? Table in a database. Next one is a Excel file, CSV file. Sir, you guys are not reading. Punishment actually. Read everyone this one. A table in a database, Excel file, CSV file. Now read this one. XML file, JSON file. If you didn't read, I will give a punishment actually. Unstructured data. What is the next one? Unstructured data having the no proper format. Unstructured data having what exactly? No proper format. In this world, mostly unstructured data is available, sir. Best example, you know what? All these chairs are in a structured format. All these chairs are in what exactly? Structured format actually. But initially, all these chairs are in zigzag manner. That is called as a unstructured. That is called as what exactly? Unstructured actually. Good. I hope you are getting. Sir, what all things are important? You know, big data definition is important. Next one, types of the data is important actually. Are you getting? Now just try to come here. Can somebody tell me what is a big data, sir? Big data means extremely large data sets. What is that one, sir? Large data sets is called as a big data. And types of the big data, how many types of the big data, sir? Can somebody tell me? First one is a structured data. First one is what exactly? structur. Yeah, structured data. Next one is a semi structured actually. And the third one is what exactly? Unstructured. These are all things you need to remember, man. Okay, what is the time? All right, let me connect with online team. Just I'm kidding, sir. Just just I'm kidding actually. Punishment means it's not like a serious punishment actually. All right, good, let's move on. So mm, yeah, so there is a one letter. That letter name is a V, sir. There is a one letter V for victory. We know very well these are all things. Am I right or not? But in a data science or big data perspective, when somebody is talking about the V letter, there are few things you need to understand. Read everyone. What is the first word actually? Volume. Second one is a variety. Third one is a velocity. Sir, one more time. Volume, variety, velocity. Now, what do you mean by volume? The size of the data. What is that one, actually, sir? Size of the data. No doubt at all, for every 1 hour the data is generating. Let me talk about the Amazon. For every 1 hour, petabyte of the data is generating. Either if it is a petabyte, then that is called as a big data. If it is a normal data, that is called as a small scale data actually. Good. Volume of the data means size of the data. Based on size only, we can decide either that is a big data or not. Am I right or not, sir? Good. Next one is a variety of the data. Something like a variety doses actually. It's like a structured data. Next one is a semi-structured data. Next one is a unstructured. We already know these are all. Next one, velocity, man. What do you mean by velocity? No, velocity of the data means speed of the data generating and processing from what exactly, sir? Source points actually. Steam. Let me tell you. Airlines actually. Everyone might have heard about the airlines actually. Sir, you know what? Once the airline started, every second data is generating. Every second, what exactly? Data is generating. Best example, what is the engine capacity? What is the condition? What is the flight condition actually? How many members are available? What is the fuel capacity? These are all second by second it is capturing actually. Then definitely that data they are storing in some certain location. I mean to say that whenever I'm talking about the speed actually, I mean to say that what I can say, man. Airlines data, man. Best example. Every second the data is generating. Every second, no doubt at actually. And a spaceship. I hope you know actually. And recently, once we sent one space to what is that one actually? Any idea? Yeah, there you know what exactly backend it was a log file system. AI data science they have used actually. Conclusion of the story: everywhere the data science using. Velocity of the data mean speed of the data generating and processing from the source points actually. Can somebody tell me? Volume means size of the variety means types. Velocity means speed of the data. Very good. Data analytics. What is the next one, sir? Data analytics. Let us take the session till next to 5 minutes actually. Initially, let me take the session for 1 hour and good. Just try to go back. Sir, this is the index actually. What are things we covered? What is the data, information, data processing actually. Next one is a data information examples also we covered, and a couple of examples we have seen. And what is the data science we have seen? Nature of the scientist, process behind the scientist. Hey man, seventh one is important. What is the seventh one? Big data. What is the seventh one? Big data. Next one is the data measurement table also we have seen. Okay. Types of the data: structured, semi-structured, unstructured. Sir, revision helps you. Whenever I'm giving a revision, if you are feeling boring, actually, let me tell you. Whenever I'm giving a revision, if you are feeling boring, I will feel so happy. Why? Because you understand the topic. That's what you are feeling boring actually. That's the motto. Are you getting everyone? Good, sir. Now, velocity. I mean to say that volume of the data, variety, velocity. Next one, sir. What is the topic name? Can somebody tell me? Data science fundamental. If anyone joined late for the today's session, the topic name is a data science fundamental. From this document, damn sure interview question, damn sure, no doubt in that. What is the question? Do let us know what do you mean by data analytics? What do you mean by what exactly, sir? Data analytics, and how many types of the data analytics would you have? And let me give a small quick introduction today, and we'll continue tomorrow actually. And end of this session, I will give a 10 to 15 minutes actually. I mean, the time is not matter. If you want, I can give extra one half an hour time also. No worries actually. If anyone having any questions, you can ask me, sir. I'm happy to help you. What is the topic we are going to cover actually? Now tell me. Data analytics. Read one more time. Sir, these are all terminology you need to understand. Sir, all companies are analyzing big data to improve their business. The same point one more time you need to understand. All companies are analyzing big data to improve the business actually. So in a olden days, what exactly happening, sir? Companies used to give the advertisements. Best example, I still remember when I was in graduation in the year of exactly 2005, 2006 actually, BSc, there was a one telecom domain. The telecom domain name is a Docomo. Telecom domain. Did you remember? Okay, Tata Docomo. Even if you didn't remember, also no worries actually. Sir, what exactly happened? That Docomo people entered into the college, and almost 50 students they asked actually. And management, the Docomo management, they asked to the college management, can you please send 50 members actually, and we will give you almost some 10,000 rupees, 20,000 rupees for your college development actually. I came from government college actually. Then what college management done, they have given 50 students actually, and that management taken these 50 students and started explaining kind of some advertisements. You guys need to spread over the city and explain about the Docomo actually. Means, what? In a olden days, people used to give the advertisements to improve the business actually. To improve what exactly, sir? But nowadays, no advertisements, sir. Advertisements are almost very less actually. If you wanted to improve your business, walk through the previous data. Understand the previous data. Whenever you are understanding the previous data, you will understand very clearly how to improve, what to improve actually. Now this point indicates to the same. Can somebody read what is the first point, sir? All companies are analyzing big data to improve the business. Sir, no matter what, any company, like Amazon company, give me 1 minute. Let it be pass away. 1 minute. Oh, when, sir? Elections when actually? I'm new to Hyderabad, generally speaking. When it will be? 30th. Okay. 30th Thursday. Good. Yeah. From the result of analysis, companies used to reach customers to understand them very clearly actually. Sir, let me tell you. Let us take a small scenario, man. I don't want to take long time actually. Let us take a small scenario. I wanted to buy one small mobile actually, Samsung mobile actually, and my budget will be, let us take a 15,000. What is my budget actually, sir? 15,000. Now, olden days, there are three types of the people, man. First one, if they wanted to buy means directly they will go to the store actually. They can buy within 1 hour, everything will be finished actually. Second category, what these people will do, they will open Amazon. They will open what exactly, sir? Amazon, and they will search like, looking for Samsung mobile below 15,000 category actually. Then existing mobiles will come, right? Sir, for that mobiles, there is a review. There is what exactly? Review. Each and every customer have given, the already using customers, they will give the review. Then a new customer will look at the review to understand the product. To understand what exactly, sir? Product actually. Then whenever you are going through the review, you understand so and so mobile is a good actually. So and so mobile is what exactly? No, exactly. Let us take a Samsung manufacturer company. All Samsung companies, they are looking at all reviews actually. Why they are looking actually? To improve the business. Where the mobile pitfall actually, they are trying to improving there exactly, to recreate the new system specifics actually. Team, are you getting what I'm saying, sir? I hope you are getting. Let me read these 2 points one more time actually. Can somebody read? From the result of analysis, companies used to reach customers to understand what exactly, sir? Clearly. How they are reaching? Do you think once you bought a mobile, Amazon company will directly call you? No, no, no. Once you buy the mobile, indirectly you may give review to the Amazon actually. Then Samsung company reaching to the Amazon company. to get the reviews actually. To get what exactly? We have a one project actually. We are going to get the data from the Amazon directly, and we can do kind of some analysis, either positive review or negative review by using NLP technique actually. By using what exactly, sir? NLP technique. Right, fine. We are done for today's session. Hold on. I will continue today's session. I will continue the session from tomorrow. I need to just try to continue from here. Okay. Now I will explain one small use case actually tomorrow. Sir, if anyone joined very late for this session, kindly remember one thing. At any cost, you need to send a mail actually. I hope you already know on daily base, regularly, everyone will get a two things from my side, from Naresh IT side actually. One is running notes, sir. One is what notes actually? Running notes means exactly how I am running this one actually. It might be helpful for you. And this running notes helps you where exactly you are, what is the topic is running actually. And second one is a PDF material, this material. That's a kind of some added advantage. If you no need to take the running notes actually, if you want you can take, I cannot stop actually. This PDF material I will share with you. But you guys need to do only one thing. What is that one? Just to drop a mail, Daniel Trainer for 4ds actually at the rate gmail.com, and ensure that you have to just try to make a subject share material 5:30 p.m. batch actually. Then I'm sure end of the day you will get the material actually. Are you getting? Fine, sir. We are done for today's session. Let me give high priority to 1 minute. Yeah, we done for today's session. Let me give a chance to first offline team actually, and I can connect with the online team. Yeah, offline team, any questions, sir? Offline team, anyone having any questions? Come on, I'm happy to help you actually. Any questions? No question. Can you raise your hand who all came only for today? Only today actually. Okay, okay. 3 members. That's fine. That's fine. Sir, if anyone joined only for today, get this running notes. Yesterday, what I covered, here you can find the link actually. Yesterday session. This what exactly, sir? Yesterday session. Yesterday session. Okay. You are getting right. And if anyone is kind of some missing the session, hey Daniel, almost 1 month I attended actually, especially offline team. I'm coming to the offline, but suddenly I need to travel to my home actually. Sir, once you went to your home, you can join over online also. It's not like a restricted. If you're offline, you have to join only offline. You should not come to online. It was not like that. Management will share the link with you, and that link, by using that link, you can join the session actually. All right. Yeah, we done for today's session, sir. Thank you for attending the session. We'll continue tomorrow as usual actually. Thank you. Thank you everyone. And let me talk with offline team. Thank you so much. Please, you let you go actually. Good. Now it's the right time. Online team. What is the first one? Daniel, any specific for the laptop? Actually, I'm thinking, getting new today, tomorrow also. Sir, general laptop is fine actually. General, normal laptop is fine. Mohan, and hold on, sir. Online team, hold on. Yes, ma'am. ఫైల్ మూవీస్ ఉన్నాయి. మూవీస్ అన్ని కూడా వీడియో కాబట్టి బిగ్ డేటా 10 GB అన్స్ట్రక్చర్డ్ డేటా కింద వస్తుంది. స్ట్రక్చర్డ్ డేటా కింద వస్తుంది. సో బిగ్ డేటా డిఫరెంట్ స్ట్రక్చర్డ్. Yeah, yes.
So the entire course online class or recording class are provided.
Yeah, there is method provided. So as you remember unnadu, as you remember sir make కనుక కావాలి, ma'am will help you how to get registered. ఎలా రిజిస్టర్ అవ్వాలి అనేది హెల్ప్ చేస్తారు. Yes, yes. ఓకే సార్. సార్ మన దగ్గర వచ్చి తెలుసా అది బెస్ట్ వే. కోర్స్ నేర్చుకున్న తర్వాత ఆన్ యావరేజ్ ఒక 3+ years ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ పెట్టి డేటా సైన్స్ మీద మనం జాబ్ కొట్టచ్చు. ఇది చాలా ఈజీ ప్రాసెస్ అన్నమాట. నౌ డేస్ మీరే కాదు, ఇండస్ట్రీలో అందరూ ఫాలో అయ్యే ప్యాటర్న్ ఇది. ఎవ్రీబడి విల్ ఫాలో ద సేమ్ ప్యాటర్న్. సరే ఇక్కడ క్లాస్ ఉందా? క్లాస్ ఉంటే నేను కిందకి వెళ్తాను. ఓకే సార్. 3+ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ పెట్టి యూ కెన్ ట్రై ఇస్ వెరీ ఈజీ. ఎవ్రీ విల్ గెట్ ద సేమ్ ప్యాటర్న్.
hiring for that.
You know what? Google already hiring. Just open Google open data science jobs in Hyderabad and Bangalore and more people చాలా jobs ఉంటాయి. చాలా jobs ఉంటాయి. ఎలా అప్లై చేయాలి, ఎలా ట్రాక్ చేయాలి, ఆన్ అండ్ యావరేజ్ మీరు 3 years కనుక పెడితే ప్యాకేజ్ ఎలా ఉంటుందంటే మినిమం 8 lakhs ఉంటుంది. One of my student and the maximum package 14 lakhs actually, but in between on an average 8 to 4 lakhs, 2 lakhs, 3+. Event topics అంటే Python, pandas, data analysis, machine learning, deep learning, maths, data visualization, matplotlib, C code, Power BI చేస్తాం. Machine learning, deep learning, NLP, computer vision, was many things. Index nation చేస్తాం. You can drop it. Yes. The Python actually we are using PyCharm, Anaconda, these are all things actually. Visual Studio also will be our studio. Well, it's like a normal application, but on an average 8 GB RAM, 8 GB RAM. SSD will be recommended actually. If it is SSD also, anything, then 30 GB, 20 GB.
Experience
yes sir. Experience కన్సల్టెన్సీస్ ఉంటాయి కదా, మీకు తెలుసు ఫ్రెండ్స్ అందరూ ఫ్రెండ్స్ ద్వారా కన్సల్టెన్సీ చేసి మనం అక్కడ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ డాక్యుమెంట్స్ తెచ్చుకోవాలి. బట్ నరేష్ రెడ్డి అలాంటి ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ డాక్యుమెంట్స్ అది నాకు తెలిసిన వాళ్ళు ఉన్నారు. ఇఫ్ యూ నీడ్ అవైలబుల్ హెల్ప్ ఫ్రమ్ ఓల్డ్ స్టూడెంట్స్ యాక్చువల్లీ, ఓల్డ్ స్టూడెంట్స్ నుంచి రిక్రూట్మెంట్ చేస్తాం. ఓకే
చెప్పే టాపిక్స్ డేటా సైన్స్
కవరింగ్
డైరెక్ట్ data scientist direct no more extra మనం నేర్చుకోవచ్చు.
ఒకసారి మన దగ్గర డేటా సైన్స్ కోర్స్ జాయిన్ అయిన తర్వాత డోంట్ లెర్న్ ఎనీ అదర్ కోర్స్. ఇంకా మనం ఏది నేర్చుకోవాల్సి డైరెక్ట్ గా వీ కెన్ ట్రై యాస్ ఎ డేటా సైన్స్. అంటే ఇండస్ట్రీలో డేటా సైంటిస్ట్ కింద వర్క్ చేయడానికి ఏదైతే కావాలో దట్ ఐ యామ్ టీచింగ్ సార్.
లీనియర్ రిగ్రెషన్, రెగ్యులర్ రిగ్రెషన్ అనే టాపిక్స్ ఉన్నాయి కదా. ఆ టాపిక్స్
మెషిన్ లెర్నింగ్
వస్తాయి, దీంట్లో ఉన్నాయి
ఉంటాయి సార్.
అంటే నార్మల్గా దాని టాపిక్స్ తెలియదు.
చూసారా మిషన్ లెర్నింగ్ అండ్ మీరేం అడిగారు? లీనియర్ రిగ్రెషన్, రైట్? జస్ట్ ఐ విల్ చెక్. దిస్ ఇస్ అండర్ మిషన్ లెర్నింగ్ కోర్స్. ఓకే, I will cover everything. Where goes? Okay.
కమ్యూనికేషన్ స్కిల్స్ ఇట్లా
సార్ కమ్యూనికేషన్ స్కిల్స్ అంటే మీరు ఎనీ డెవలప్మెంట్ కానీ డేటా సైంటిస్ట్ కానీ తీసుకుంటే 100కి మినిమం 60% ఉంటాయి. అంటే మనం మాట్లాడగలగాలి, ఎదుటి మాట్లాడేది మనం అర్థం చేసుకోవాలి. 100కి 100 అక్కర్లేదు. ఈవెన్ ఐఎమ్ నాట్ ఏ గుడ్ ఇన్ కమ్యూనికేషన్, బట్ ఏంటంటే మనకి 60% ఉంటే సరే.
కొంచెం కమ్యూనికేషన్ కూడా తక్కువ 90%.
వెరీ సార్. ఈవెన్ వెన్ ఐ వాజ్ ట్రైయింగ్ చేసే సాఫ్ట్వేర్ జాబ్ యాక్చువల్లీ నేను కమ్యూనికేషన్ అంత ఎక్స్పెక్టింగ్ కాదు. మనం డెవలపర్ కింద కానీ డేటా సైంటిస్ట్ కింద కానీ ట్రై చేసేటప్పుడు సబ్జెక్ట్ చూస్తారు కానీ కమ్యూనికేషన్ చూస్తారు. సబ్జెక్ట్ మ్యాటర్స్
డెవలప్మెంట్
అది దేనికి వస్తుంది అంటే ఫుల్ స్టాక్ డెవలప్మెంట్ అని ఉంటుంది. వెబ్ డెవలప్మెంట్ నేర్చుకోవాలంటే జాంగో కానీ ఫ్లాస్క్ కానీ ఇవన్నీ నేర్చుకోవాలి. దట్ ఈస్ అవుట్ ఆఫ్ Even I don't know Django Flask experience. Not required.
JavaScript,
JavaScript,
HTML,
HTML, CSS.
అంటే
అక్కర్లేదు సార్.
దానికైతే ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ పెడితే కొంచెం ఇబ్బంది అవుతుంది అని అనుకుంటున్నాను.
సార్ అంటే నాకు తెలియదు దాని గురించి నేను మాట్లాడాను. దట్ ఈస్ అవుట్ ఆఫ్ ది కంప్యూటర్ సైన్స్. డేటా సైన్స్ యాక్చువల్లీ.
డేటా సైన్స్ గురించి కొంచెం చెప్పాను సార్, అదే ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ అనేది పెట్టుకోవచ్చు. మీకు తెలిసిన తెలిసిన
ఓల్డ్ స్టూడెంట్ మొబైల్ నెంబర్స్ నేను పెట్టిస్తాను, వాళ్ళు మీకు హెల్ప్ చేస్తారు.
Started at 7:30 a.m. Working now, so get only second shift for I am interested to join that. So part of the problem here, they are only backend code. I don't know.
Let us take a photo like this. On daily basis, I'm working with the same. Remaining 30% is not allowed.
That's the backend code. That's 7%.
Yeah, exactly. That is what is the critical for backend.
5%
Yes, sir.
I didn't know that. So, and one more issue I already discussed today yesterday. See, I have to go coming Monday, Tuesday.
You can attend more online.
Like, but I'm traveling to somewhere. I cannot attend the online class also. That's the
We have recorded sessions. That you can get it. Like yesterday's session, how someone is getting on there. Same thing like that. Monday to Wednesday, Monday to Friday, recorded sessions will be out. You can get that and you can
so further they are asking to pay all the references.
regarding fee structure.
That's I get one piece then. I am happy to attend offline class. For that only reason I am saying because online class I know I will I do not attend offline class. That's the only reason I get to attend offline. And for that I skip one shift. Session is yeah, it's okay fine, but actually when I go inside then only yes sir. And fine, but just that I should complete as goals.
It is up to you, sir. Based on maybe you can with all the conditions and possibility. We offer this
Yes, I know that offline is tough for me. I know. Not many people can online they can digest everything. But for me it's tough. Because I come here from practice also because I will stay in room or house. I'll never practice. You say it's a number things I have already faced also.
If familiar position will encourage you and then for offline.
That I already decided I have to convert
I'm sorry, man. Online team freshers have no jobs market. So actually, so I'm sorry for saying. You just try to do one thing. Open a Google, and you can just try to search for freshers data science job. Actually, plenty of the jobs you can find. Plenty of the jobs actually. I'm sorry. Just no offline questions done. I'm back to online actually. Ritu sir, please give two answers to online also. I have completed MSc Computer Science, so present I'm teaching profession. Sir, I'm sure what we can do, in terms of Mahender, let me help you.